Here is what $30 million of Funko Pops going to the landfill actually looks like. Oh my goodness. Nightmare Before Christmas, Harry Potter, and others getting shredded. What, did they get contaminated or something?
They couldn't sell them.
What?
They made too many.
What?
Apparently, yeah.
Earlier this month, the pop culture collectible company Funko announced it was going to throw $30 million worth of pop figures in the garbage because its warehouses were overflowing with excess stock. Images are beginning to emerge of unopened boxes full of Harry Potter-themed Funkos and more. Wow. I don't know about this story.
Do you collect any Funkos?
No, I don't.
No, eh?
No, I don't. But I find that hard to believe that there is no... I mean, you could walk around to retailers and just be like, hey, couldn't they just call their retailers and be like, we got an excess? Or do they feel like they're going to diminish the value too much? It's possible, but...
But, yeah. If there is such a big access of, like, Funko Pops and no one wants to buy them, the stores aren't going to buy them.
Been at this for weeks. Funko is having Pops shredded and destroyed by the truckload. This was a video. Okay, show the video.
This is not the video.
There is no video?
Not on this site.
Just pallets full of Funkos. I don't know. I don't know what the reason is. Did they admit to it is what I'm curious about, because I find that really hard to believe. They told Kotaku the pallets are brought in on trucks one after another and then dumped into giant shredding machines. The debris that's left over is then sorted to either be recycled or sent to the landfill. The boxes in the one image are all Jack Skellington Santas from Nightmare Before Christmas. Trashing them and making more later is apparently cheaper than finding places to store them over the next 8 months. Real estate crisis.
They are kind of big, eh? Like just the box itself. And if you have 1,000, 10,000, it's quite a lot. It adds up.
I don't know, Will.
Yeah.
I'm just going to keep saying I don't know in this circumstance. There could be some reasons for this. And without the company commenting, it's just hard to know. We've got, in this case, a couple of boxes. They come up with the figure saying, I mean, it's not more than a couple of boxes, but then you come up with the figure $30 million. They were sealed from the factory. They showed up at a landfill in Washington. Yeah. Well, I'm sure this type of stuff happens. The scale of it is questionable, but it does go to show you like, the margins on these things are pretty wild. It's cheaper to just make them again.
Yeah.
Than to store them. Maybe that's so many goods that we're interested in.
Maybe.